Today we are going to talk about why you procrastinate and why it has nothing to do with being lazy.
You've been called lazy. You've called yourself lazy. But what if that label is completely wrong? Procrastination feels like a character flaw, like something is broken inside you. But science says something completely different.
This proves that procrastination is not laziness. It is your brain avoiding negative emotions.
Procrastination is not laziness. It is your brain avoiding negative emotions, stress, fear, self-doubt, overwhelm. Your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, sees the task as a threat. So it tells you to avoid it right now. You avoid the task, feel relief, then guilt, then more anxiety, then avoid again. It is a loop, and it gets worse every time. So pushing harder and demanding more willpower does not work. You cannot force your way out of an emotional response. The fix starts with self-compassion, not self-criticism. Research shows being kind to yourself actually makes you more productive, not less. Then use the 2-minute rule. Just start for 2 minutes. Action reduces anxiety. Once you start, the resistance almost always disappears.
So if you want to know how to stop procrastinating, start with self-compassion, not self-criticism.
You are not broken. You are not lazy. You are a human brain trying to protect itself. Now you know better, and knowing is everything. You are not lazy. Your brain is protecting you. Now you know how to work with it, not against it. Subscribe for more every week.